Hello there and welcome to another Mini Park Lane video. My name is Ali and I'm here today to talk to you about cosmetic repair insurance. There is a lot to think about, even after you've chosen the perfect model for you. In this video we will cover what cosmetic repair insurance is, what the key benefits are and why we think it's something you should purchase. We hope you find this video useful, and to see more of our mini videos, please make sure you subscribe to our channel. Mini Cosmetic Repair Insurance, developed to protect the beauty and finish of your vehicle, covering the cost for repairing minor cosmetic damage to your Mini, leaving a lasting impression. Cover available for 2 or 3 years, available on new and approved used Minis up to 7 years old. Repairs are carried out at your local Mini retailer or by our mobile repair network. We will put all the links for anything in this video in the description below, including ways to get in touch with us for more information. For more mini videos, please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel today. Thank you for watching.